i35equipment.com. This is a Case 2050M XLT Bulldozer. This machine has lots of power, cold working air conditioning, and rear hydraulic rippers with 2 shanks. 4-way blade. Welcome you to come look at her for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones to come to you. We're open by appointment only though, so give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, just fill out the form on our website with your full delivery address. We'll share that address several local haulers and get back at the best rate that comes back to us. You can also call, text, or email with that delivery address. We do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. We specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. There's the 4-way blade in action, up, down, and side to side. See all the work lights front and rear are working. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to come dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call. We'll open the gates for you and show you where to go. Please no grass, trees, or trash. We're gonna go back here and push some, take some concrete, blocks, and dirt for you. Doesn't even slow down. Excellent to me. Like we said though, welcome here to have your own mechanic or hire someone to check it out for you so you can have a professional opinion on it. out to the fisheye lens, give you a good view of the interior. It does have the factory case seat in it. All right, nice cool air conditioning in here. Got your throttle. You're gonna have your travel joystick here, forward, backward, turning, as well as changing what speed for forward and reverse. You see here, currently he's at 7 in forward and 11 in reverse, and you can change that. That way when you go in reverse, you're able to go in a higher speed or slower speed than your travel forward speed. It memorizes that, or remembers that. That way you're traveling, if you're pushing, you want to push forward in a slower speed, but if you're reversing, you can get out in reverse quicker. So that's a cool feature. Looks like it's sitting at 3266 hours. I'm going to turn these work lights off so I don't forget them. Parking brake, hydraulic lock. No lights on set from the parking brake light, and that's supposed to be on right now. If you could just hit this and take it off. We'll turn it back on now. If we're just sitting, this is going to be your blade control. It's going to be your ripper control. Up here we got HVAC controls and a radio. Let's check it out. Get on a station that I'm familiar with so we can see if it's working.
Believe what area, but
sounds like it's working. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a call. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Hope you have a great day.